Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Start with a custom shape tool to create an artistic framing design. Choose a curved amendment frame shape. Position it around the center area. Scale it until it frames the composition nicely. Duplicate one side for symmetrical balance. Flip the duplicate horizontally. Now lower its opacity for visual softness and add a warm gold-like feel to the main frame. Apply a fine stroke to enhance details. Align both sides accurately. Add a soft shadows to lift the main frame. Adjust blending for luxury feel. Fine-tune spacing around the frame edges. Smooth harsh corners for elegance. Approve once the framing feels both